Welcome to the Superintendent Book Club. As we continue to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month and highlight some Hispanic authors, today we're highlighting Juana Martinez-Neal. Today I want to share one of her books with you titled Zonia's Rainforest. Zonia lives with those she loves in the rainforest, where it is always green and full of life. Every morning, the rainforest calls to Zonia. Every morning, Zonia answers. In Zonia's rainforest, green and full of life, she visits old friends and meets new ones. Good morning, she says 1, 2, 3, 4 times. She stops to talk with some chatty new neighbors. Welcome, I live next door, Zonia sings. She says hello to her most playful friends. You are my favorite, Zonia whispers. If she's lucky, her fastest friend will invite her for a short ride through the thicket. We are mighty, Zonia says, for that is what she feels in her heart. It's funny how her friend has a coat similar to my blouse today. Zonia sees a colorful couple swim by. How's the water today? She asked with a smile. She congratulates mamas with their new babies. I can't wait for you to meet my baby brother. I love him so much. Some friends help Zonia see the world in new ways. And Zonia knows just who to visit when she wants to be quiet and still. After visiting all of her friends, Zonia is ready to come home. She can't wait to see her mama and baby brother again. On her way home, Zonia comes across something she has not seen before. Frightened, she runs the rest of the way home. I would be scared if I saw this too. What do you think is happening here in the story? Would you be scared like Zonia if this happened to your home too? Mama, look, Zonia says and opens her hands. The forest needs help. It is speaking to you, says Zonia's mom. Then I will answer, says Zonia, as I always do. We all must answer. The end. This book has an interesting ending, right? Because it pushes us to think about what we need to do to help Zonia, her family, and friends in saving our rainforest. And how Zonia was scared in that moment when she saw her rainforest being affected in not a positive way. So I challenge you to think about what can you do from your home, from your schools, to help Zonia and her family keep their home safe. Until our next book.